In this video, we take a look at creativity. We want you to know whether you are born creative, or you need a certain process to follow to gain creativity. Are there any signs of creativity? What is the benefit of being a creative person? Enjoy. Though big C creativity is valued and celebrated as Motzart or Einstein, it is typically small c creativity that has allowed humans to flourish over hundreds of years. The creative process is the act of making new connections between old ideas, or recognizing relationships between concepts. Creative thinking is not about creating something brand new from blank, but rather about taking what is available and combining those bits and pieces in a way that has not been done previously. Becoming a creative person is not that easy, yet it follows the same process of creativity. James Webb stated in his book, A Technique for Producing Ideas, the simple 5-step formula anyone can use to be more creative in business and in life. And if the assumption is so, then we need to know the 5 steps formula. Like, subscribe, comment. Gather new material. In this stage, you should learn the basics. And during the process, you mainly focus on 2 things. Number 1. Learning the most related and specific materials about the task. Number 2. Learning general materials and become fascinated with a variety of concepts. Thoroughly work over the materials in your mind. At this stage, try to enhance what you learned previously, by looking at it from various angles, trying to fit these different aspects and ideas together. Stay away from the problem. Take the problem completely out of your mind, enjoy some free time, and energize yourself. Let the idea comes back again. By now, and after you stopped thinking about the original problem, the idea will certainly come back again with a flash of insight and renewed energy. Module the idea, and improve it according to the feedback. Successful ideas must be released and go public, then be ready to criticism, and make any adaptations wherever it needs. Are we naturally born as creative? According to psychology professor Barbara Kerr, who studied the differences in creative thinking between sets of twins, she found that approximately 22% of the variance in creativity is due to the influence of genes. It is true that some people are primed to be more creative than others, but telling yourself that you are not the creative type is just an excuse for avoiding creative thinking. In fact, the majority of our creative thinking abilities are trainable. Like, subscribe, comment.